officer. Oh my. You are very beautiful. Oh. Back driver, back driver. Oh. Back driver, back driver.
Oh, I can't.
I love you.
Oh my gosh. You're unbelievable.
Door slow, door slow. Door slow, door slow. Door slow, door slow.
Oh, you live.
Will you be my best friend forever? Stop the car!
Oh my.
Marry me!
Oh my gosh.
Or police!
Thanks, buddy.
Or police!
High five.
Or police! Why are you so lovely? Oh! Hey! What is this?
What, sweetie?
That's my lap. I sit there. Furry thief! Don't purr at me, Whiskers. Move it. Mom,
Come
tell
here,
him.
jealous bird.
Shoulder privileges restored.
Which one of us knocked the plant off the shelf?
Someone burned dinner again. Oh, that's priceless.
License, please.
Just a tiny pinch, okay?
Whoa! Point that thing somewhere else!
Relax, it's not for you, Drama King. And done.
Done? I didn't even flinch.
Sure you didn't.
Bravest bird in the building.
Uh-huh.
You should give me a stick.
I'm the boss.
I'm the boss. I'm the boss. Who's the handsome bird?
No way.
He really said it.
Good job, baby!
Move over. This is my seat.
Rico, be straight with me. Who ate the last donut?
Not me. I've already sweetened up. Alibi solid. Ow. Clean your room.
Huh?
Clean your room.
Oh, come on.
Clean your room.
Really?
Mine now.
Why are you staring at me, Sir Beaks?
I'm negotiating snack royalties.
You already ate the last biscuit.
That was a signing bonus. Officer needs coffee. Oh, no way. No way.
You be dangerous with a badge, you know that?
Right. Who made this mess?
I need a vacation.
Humans are strange.
Password, please.
Huh?
Attention, all birds, follow the law.
I'm the police assistant. Oh my gosh. Dickinson, sir. Same guy again. Loitering by the door, just harvesting
Oh, you don't miss a thing.
Catch the bad guy!
Officer, what's the secret to keeping the peace and the snacks safe out here?
Oh my gosh. I guess
Snacks first, peace second, apparently. Wise strategy. Any message you want to send to the pigeons watching at home?
stop stealing bagels.
I should charge you for this comedy show.
Don't forget who the real star is here.
Ready, partner? Listen. Good job, officer.
Slip up!
Not quite. Try again. Good job, officer.
Slip up!
Close enough.
Officer, cookie thief spotted!
Oh, that's priceless. You're a better lookout than half my squad.
Who ate the donuts?
He sounds just like the squad car. Stop, I can't.
Stop right there.
Oh, no way. You sound just like a sergeant.
I love you.
What? Did you just say that?
I love you.
Oh my gosh.
I love you.
I love you too, buddy.
Listen, kids, you've done the work. That mountain of notes, it's your runway. Every mistake, just a flap on the way up. Breathe, shoulders back, say it.
I can do this.
I can do this. Louder.
I can do this.
Boom. Now go show that exam who's got the feathers.
Don't laugh too much. I might get famous. Did you catch the bad guy?
All right, Feathers. Who ate the last cookie?
Not me, Polly Innocent.
Jar's empty and you have crumbs on your beak.
Crumbs? Decoration. You got crumbs on your hoodie.
What? Oh, that's from...
Hey! Aha! Guilty girl!
And this?
Chocolate on your beak. Exhibit A.
Parrot, the bell rang 5 minutes ago. This is a classroom, not a bird-watching tour.
I'm sorry, Professor Featherstone. The bus...
No excuses. The mitochondria won't wait, and neither will I. Take your seat.
Yes, sir.
Hey, can I have that chocolate?
Chocolate? No way. It's bad for you.
Just one bite, pretty please.
Sorry, bud. Absolutely not.
You broke my tiny bird heart.
Oh, you're so dramatic. Nice try, though.
All right, student. Lips like this. Tight circle. Watch.
Okay.
Whistle.
Ugh, that was nothing.
Listen to the air. Tongue up. Push from the belly. Like this. Your turn. Here goes. Sharp.
Whoa, I did
Yes.
it!
Okay, ready? What do you call a fish with no eyes? Oh, wow.
You're the prettiest human I've ever seen.
Oh my god, I can't believe you just said that.
Hey, pretty lady with a sunshine grin. Your laugh so tune I wanna live in. I trade my seeds, my perch, my vault, just to love you more than crackers love salt.
Oh my god.
If I were a prince, I'd choose you.
Your smile is brighter than the sun.
Oh my gosh.
All right, sous chef, chop time. We need those peppers in the pan pronto.
Wait, you're the chef?
Obviously. Now, grab that knife and show me some skill. Chop, chop.
Yes, chef.
Good sizzle. Needs a pinch of salt. You keep...
Listen up, Luna. I've made a decision. I'm
A
going to be a
singer?
world-famous singer.
A singer? Really?
Yep. This voice wasn't made just for Pretty Bird. Watch this. City in the clouds, hear me now. I'm the feathered son.
You will not believe what Mr. Jenkins was up to this morning.
What now?
Pink bathrobe, hair in rollers, watering petunias like he's queen of the courtyard.
No way.
And the lady upstairs turned a vacuum into a tango partner. Dipped it.
I love you.
What? Did you just say that?
I love you.
Oh my gosh.
I love you.
I love you too, buddy.
Emergency! 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 Oh, you are too much! Emergency! Emergency! Emergency!
Hi there.
Hi there.
You're so funny.
You're so funny.
I love you.
I love you.
Stop copying me.
Stop copying me.
Share with officer. Ha!